All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a pretty easy one. It looks like I ran over something with my riding lawnmower and now my tire is flat. So what we're gonna do is we're going to plug this hole. All right, first thing we're gonna do is obviously find where the hole is. Pretty easy to see here because we got a piece of wire sticking out. So first thing you want to do is remove any foreign objects. Maybe it's a nail or a screw. In this case, it's some wire. Oh, there we go. And you can hear it hissing right there. Okay, now that we've located the source of the leak, we're going to remount this hole. You can use a tool like this to kind of just push in there and just make the hole a little bit bigger so we can get the plug in. But I found it much easier if you use a drill. It's a lot easier, so what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna make this hole big enough for the plug to go into. Okay, now, so I basically just chose a drill bit that was similar in size to this. So, all right, next thing we're gonna do is put the plug in. So here are our plugs. I have 3 left. I've obviously used 2 of them. And we have a tool right here to install the plug. And then we'll use some rubber cement to seal up the plug in the hole. Okay, so I've threaded my plug in our tool here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drizzle some rubber cement all over this thing. That way when we put it into the hole, the rubber cement will fill in any gaps. I'm just going to kind of like this. Just apply generously, and that should be good. Okay, now that our plug has rubber cement on it, we're just gonna jam it into the hole, like so. You can see some of the plug sticking out there. Yank the tool out. All right, so that's kind of what it looks like. Got some sticking out there. And a little bit more rubber cement never hurt anybody. There we go, just kind of fill in any of the gaps. Okay, now we're going to use our snips right here, and we're going to snip off the excess. All right, we're all done. It's really that easy. Good job. Thanks again for tuning in to another how-to video, and we'll see you on the next one.